fact, one of the goals of today's webinar is to differentiate between generative AI and LLM. There is a commonly held notion that, LLM and Gen AI is synonymous. I want to disabuse you of that notion. They are quite different. Gen AI is a much more general framework that can be very fruitful for trading. I have heard from the mouth of some of the most senior quants in some of the largest asset managers. All they can talk about is applying Gen AI for trading, and it is not really confined to using LLM because that is actually old news. So I also should mention that this talk is based on some of the things I learned from our new book, Generative AI for Trading and Asset Management, which will be available on Amazon towards the end of this month. So I have a co-author, Hamlet Medina, that is the true expert. I myself is merely you might call a student of Gen AI, whereas Hamlet is truly the teacher. And I'm very grateful that he agreed to collaborate with me. In fact, I learned a lot about Gen AI. I have no idea what generative AI was at a high level until I read Hamlet's chapter. So this is one of the great pleasure of collaborating on writing books because you actually learn from your co-author a lot. And also, fortuitously, we pick a good name for this book because it has a good acronym called GATHM. So that's easy to remember.